Hi, this is Chris live in the Dream Giveaway Garage. I've got a special treat for you guys today. Our Lingenfelter Corvettes, the grand prizes in the 2018 Corvette Dream Giveaway, are up in Michigan today. You're watching the live feed right now of these two vehicles. On the left, that's 65 Restomod LS3 powered. Oh, look, the camera's coming in on it now. Look at that Stinger hood. You'd expect it on a 67. Looks great on this Restomod with those huge C6 tires, those big brakes. We're coming in close now and take a look at that modern power Corvette LS3 with power modifications by Lingenfelter, a head and a cam package, pushing the power output of 550. Now check out that interior. Custom classic interior. Looks fantastic, guys. What do you think? Let's see where that live feed's going to bring us now. We're coming back around to look at this wonderful Restomod Corvette. Again, this is a car you can drive anywhere on earth. Look at that. Big wheels, big brakes, fuel injected from the modern LS3. Another fantastic look at the interior. Guys, did you just see that? That's a 5-speed, a modern TKO 5-speed in this Corvette. We want you guys to join the Restomod revolution when you enter to win both Corvettes in the Corvette Dream Giveaway. We will see you next time live in the Dream Giveaway Garage.